Working with Christine was awesome. I gotta say, she is brilliant in her work, and she is passionate, and she is there with you along in every step of the way. She is guiding you in every step of the way, and her voice is so calming and so much confidence in it, right? That it transcends that confidence onto you. She's able to connect the strong with the vulnerability, with the beautifulness of the feminine energy and the masculine energy, which I've never seen before. Very original, very her. It was a lot of fun. I definitely recommend this to anyone that needs help to just get that little, that warrior, to get that little kick, to get that, cheerleader, your own cheerleader. What I've learned from this workshop is that it is possible to tap into something stronger and bigger than you. What I liked most about this workshop was the fact that she showed you some fighting moves, very knowledgeable about that, and just get that heat going in your body. And that brings you that strength within you. It's like, hey, I can do this, I can kick ass. The images that came through as that warrior was like, whoa, that's powerful. This is just so unique because it just comes from Christine's own experiences. There's no way that you can find anything like it. I feel like this is the perfect time for people to tap into that, for people to do this workshop. A lot of fear, and fear weakens us. I would say that this workshop is for people that are just afraid to go out of their comfort zone. They are afraid to even imagine a better version of their life. She explores that and she brings that out with love. After the workshop, I do feel more confident than before, way more confident. If I believe in myself that I can do these things, that's a huge step, because from before I was like, no, I'm too shy, I can't do this, I can't. But now it's like, why the fuck not? Like, let's do it. What's the worst thing that can happen? There are worse things out there. That's the mindset I'm in after this workshop. I'm extremely proud of my friend. I couldn't even believe that she did this. Like, don't. She said she was gonna do it and she did it. It's like, wow, that's inspiring. I just gotta say, this is gonna be